Hi, this is Jerry, JCCG. And this video is going to be titled Me and My Dog. And that's because back in 1977, apparently April 2nd, 1977, uh, I only been in the house not even quite a year, I don't think, in this house, in my home. And so yeah, I guess it's around there. And so I drew this picture using a pencil. I had at the time uh, uh, registered Doberman Pinscher, and so uh, a great dog, and just uh, remembering I just got a message from Dr. Straight Life on the loss of his dog he had for 13 years, and I think on this first dog I had, she lasted maybe 9 years, I think, before I had to have her put down because she came down with kidney failure. And after her, I got another dog from the pound, a mixed breed, part half shepherd, half Dobie, and she was a great dog. She lasted maybe 14 or 15 years before she died in bed, and that was the same bed I was sleeping in. And I mean, I see a regular bed like most people, and she'd jump, I say jump onto the bed. And then she got to a point in her life where she couldn't quite make the jump, so I took the bed off the frame and stuck it on the ground. And that way she could just walk onto it. And one day, I guess the night she died, I walked in there, and she went and lay down and walked in there and found her, and she had died. And so you know, I dealt with her. She's nearby, but my back in April 2nd, 1977, I had this inspiration to draw this a picture of me and my dog, and so I just ran across it. I had lost it, and I said, "Wow, this is great." So here is that picture, me and my dog. Okay, okay, this is close as I can get. Let's see, I gotta see it. Yeah, me and my dog. Let's see. Okay, I can really see very well. Okay, oh, there's no glare there. Uh, there's, there's me. Okay, and my mutt there. And there's the date over here. Somewhere, yeah. Okay. And what's that I like to draw? It's kind of like I have to have a feeling for it, an inclination. And I have learned that going back to this town, I began this type of drawing back up in Arcata, Humboldt State, when I was going to Humboldt State. And I began this kind of drawing. Coming back down to this town here, it's a really entirely different environment, very oppressive. And I found it to be oppressive and brutal, and it really destroys creativity, oppresses it. And but I managed to do some art. Uh, but it's not like it used to be. It used to just come to me all the time. I almost have to work at it now. My spirit isn't very free to discover. So I hope you enjoy this of me and my dog. And until next time, this is Jerry. This is Fiji. Bye for now.